In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your eBay. So that CJ Dropshipping will do everything, including sending the orders to your customers. You don't even have to do anything anymore. You just want to find winning products, and that's all you need to do, guys. Now I'm going to show you how you can list products from CJ Dropshipping to eBay. So I have been doing eBay dropshipping for like 3 years, and I was using AliExpress because I didn't know how CJ dropshipping works. Now recently I started using CJ dropshipping, and it's really better than AliExpress. Especially the shipping time is really quick compared to AliExpress. Now I'm going to explain to you guys how you can connect first your eBay account to CJ dropshipping so that you can start listing products on you can start listing products from CJ dropshipping. As you can see here, guys, you can find a lot of items here, and I'm also in this video I'm also going to show you guys some mistakes that you should never do if you are starting your business with CJ dropshipping. If you are starting to, if you want to start using CJ dropshipping on eBay, I'm going to be showing you some mistakes that you should avoid in a few seconds. Now as you can see here, guys, you can find a lot of products, and what I like about CJ dropshipping is the price. You can find a cheap price, and also the shipping price is literally very cheap. And as you can see, you can use this on eBay, you can use this on Shopify, Walmart, Etsy, even Amazon, TikTok. And the best thing, like I said, is it will do everything for you. Like, it will send the products after you connect your store. It will send the products to your customers, and you then keep the profit. Okay. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your eBay, okay, and make sure you see if you have like enough selling limit. This is my new account. Click on my eBay in the top right, and then click selling, and scroll down and see how many listings you can list. As you can see, it says here list up to 200 items for free every month. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on payments. As you can see, click on payments, and let me sign up right now. After you click, guys, on payments, you want to click here, you want to verify all this information, and you need to add here your credit card if you haven't done that already, because a lot of people, they don't have like a credit card on your eBay. Like, you want to click on payments, and you have to click, you have to add. After you click on payments, you want to click on add payment option, and here you have to enter here your credit card information. As you can see, the card number, the expiration date, first name, and security code. Now after you add, guys, this information, I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Okay, you want to go to CJ, and after that you want to click on authorization in the top left. As you can see, authorization, I hope I pronounced it correctly. And as you can see, a few different options will come up here, including Shopify, TikTok, eBay. Now if you want to connect it to eBay, you want to select here eBay. As you can see, now after you select eBay, it will take you to this page. Just close this. I'm gonna explain to you how you can use this. Now you need to click, guys, on add store. Okay, you want to click on add store. It will take you directly to your eBay. So if you have opened your eBay in the same browser, it will ask you here to click agree and continue. Now if it doesn't take you to this page, you wanna copy the username. Okay, this is your username, and paste it there if it doesn't take you to this page. But if it took you to this page, you just want to click on agree and continue. We are just trying to link, we're just trying to connect our eBay store to CJ dropshipping. Now as you can see, authorization 6 says CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. So now what does that mean is, like, CJ will do everything for you, like sourcing the products, helping you do every single thing. Now what you need to do, guys, now is you want to find products to list on your eBay. As you can see, it says here what happens next. You can fulfill stores orders right now. You can list CJ products to your store. You can connect products to CJ to automatically import stored orders. Okay, Now the first thing you want to do is to list you just want to list a product. Now if you don't see this page, you just want to click on on here, so it will take you to products. Now if it took you to this page, you just want to click on list now, and here it will give you the list of products that you can list on your eBay store. That's the beauty of this. And as you can see, you can list all these products, and you can also find the products if you don't want these products, if you don't want to list these products, you want to search in the top which product you want to list on your eBay store. Now I like to list for example this one. Click on it. Now after you click on the product, as you can see, it has different variations. What you need to do, guys, next is you want to scroll down a little bit and click on a list. Okay, as you can see, you want to click on list, and as you can see, make sure it says here, please make sure the total quantity of the product listed doesn't exceed the listing limit on eBay, as products will be removed once the inventory runs out. Now make sure you go, like I said, to my eBay. In the top right, click ceiling, and make sure you if you can increase the ceiling limit so that you can list a lot of items, just you can increase that by contacting eBay, and you will be able to increase your ceiling limit. Now as you can see, this is the product that we are trying to list on our eBay. Now you want to select here the listing site. You want to select here the listing site, and you say, and here you have to enter the listing quantity. Just go with one. If you don't have enough ceiling limit, if you don't have if you have low ceiling limit, you need to increase it, or otherwise you just want to enter here listing quantity 111. Okay, now the reason why you have to do this is because you don't have enough listing limit on your eBay. If you have enough listing limit, you can then increase the quantity to more than one. Now if an item was sold, you can always go back to your store, and you can you can just increase the quantity again. Now after you select here, it says here the total dropshipping cost is $8. Okay, so that means they are going to charge you $8 every time this item sells on your eBay store. Now where it says your price, this is the price that you are going to charge. Okay, so I'm going to charge, for example, $15. So I'm going to keep the profit of like $4. So every time this item sells, I am going to get the profit of like $4. And make sure you, as you can see, there are different variations here. This one, the total cost of this one is $14. So I'm going to charge for this one $20. This one, $20. I'm going to charge $30. This one, $26. You just want to increase the price a little bit so that you can make a profit. Okay, and after that, after you complete this, after you add all the price, like your price and quantity, you just want to click on list and now. Okay, now the moment you click on list now, as you can see, it says here, enter the quantity. Because I didn't complete this, I am going to enter the quantity right now, or I am just going to select another product that doesn't have a lot of the variation. I'm going to go with another product. I'm going to click on list now, and I'm going to find a product that doesn't have a lot of variation. For example, this one. This one has only 3 different variation. If you don't have enough ceiling limit, just go with products that have little variation, like little color, like 3 colors or 4 colors. Scroll down and click on list, and here you just have to enter your price here. For example, I'm going to charge $17. Okay, sorry, $17. The quantity is like 111. Just go with 1 or 3 if you have increased your ceiling limit. Okay, I'm going to that's it. And as you can see, it says here, ship my orders most United States. Select here United States, because most people that are going to buy from you on eBay are from United States. Now next thing you want to do, guys, after you do this, you just want to click on list and now. If everything is fine on your eBay, if you have added your payment method, as you can see, create product filed because I didn't add my credit card. Okay, payment, as you can see, and the returns field will be going away for business policies in seller. Before you can list the item, we need some additional information to create seller's account. As you can see, quantity for variation will be used for listing. Seller profiles will soon be. So yeah, it says here, check the reasons why listing to be filed here. Now the reason why it filed is because I didn't add the payment methods. Okay, now you want to read this. As you can see, category issues, international selling, and yeah, it says here no offline payment selected for the site you are listing on or for the category. So make sure you complete the information on your eBay seller. Go to YouTube and search for how to create a selling eBay account. Okay, how to create a store on eBay so that you can dropship. And after you complete the steps, then after you click on list, it will be able to be like the item will be listed on your eBay store. It's here where it says active, and now everyone someone buys the product, you will only see here your profit, and everything else they are going to do it for you. CJ Dropshipping will do everything for you. Okay, so if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.